The beauty industry does not want you to know this. There is a $2 ingredient sitting in your pharmacy right now that works better than most $100 creams for wrinkles. Dermatologists won't tell you this $2 trick for wrinkles. Welcome to Daily Beauty. Today, I will tell you how to use $2 wrinkle fix. The beauty industry does not want you to know this. There is a $2 ingredient sitting in your pharmacy right now that works better than most $100 creams for wrinkles. It is called Retinol. Here is how to use it correctly. Every night after washing your face, apply a tiny amount of retinol serum to your forehead, around your eyes, and around your mouth. These are the areas where wrinkles form first. Start with the lowest percentage, 0.25%. Use it every other night for the first 2 weeks so your skin gets used to it, then every night after that. In the morning, and this is very important, always apply sunscreen. Retinol makes your skin sensitive to the sun. Without sunscreen, you will undo everything. Do this for 4 weeks. Your fine lines will be visibly softer. Your skin will be firmer. Your complexion will be brighter. All for less than $2. If you want clear and beautiful skin without costing you much. Follow Daily Beauty for a new secret every single day.